Hi everyone, it's Donna here for Unity, sharing 2 cards that I created using the new Cuttlebug Seahorse kit by Tiara Jackson. I wanted to show you a craft version and just a version on the white cardstock as you see here. I used just a few Copic markers to color in the horse, starting with the light and then flicking on the darker colors as I went, adding highlights and shadowing. It was pretty easy to color this little guy. He's super cute and has lots of detail, so you don't have to really go crazy unless you want to with your coloring. After I finished this one, I moved on to the craft version and I used Prismacolor pencils. Again, just a few colors like the gold and bronzy colors, and then I like to go back over with Copic markers and shadow some more. I feel like the markers with the alcohol blend in with the colored pencils nicely, and then I just go back in afterward again and add some extra highlighting. It's really a quick, easy way to create texture and depth on your images, so I like to do that. And then once I'm finished, I'll go back over and sometimes add some white. As you'll see at the end, I did go back and add a little bit of the white gel pen just for more accents. Once I was finished coloring, I went through and added the foam adhesive and the washi tape, which I always kind of sneak into my projects, as you notice. And then I got out some of those paper clips that I like to hoard and added those to both of them. Washi tape, a little banner, and a paper clip completed them both. And then you'll see I have 2 different cards with the same kit. Very sweet, simple, and fun. Thanks for watching.